have a bronze line. Bronze is a material that is nice to look at. And what we actually did is that we kind of put our best sellers into a bronze
shape.
So it's case and also the buckle.
Exactly, also the buckle.
Yes. Okay.
And the case. So we have the mattress, then the number 3 and the perigraph. So as you can see, I mean, different sizes, different shapes, different watches, of course. We always have the red tip of the hand. Oh, the tip is always in a red in a red color, and it's a matter of fact that the people are asking for bronze, and it's a matter of fact for us to do it. And of course, and it's not a limited edition. It's not. It's completely. We will completely integrate it into the collection.
But the price-wise, it will be more expensive, or it will be the same price?
It is. How does it differ?
More expensive.
It is a little.
I think it's like 400 euros on
more.
Top. Or,
that's
like
just
for the matrix, it's 1,890, I guess.
I think it's 1990. Let me just.
990 and
so it is
2,090 for the perigraph.
Yeah, exactly. So the mattress is usually at 14, so it's 500 euros. It's dependent on the material.
But the material also fits the not because people asking for bronze. The material also fits the Meistersinger philosophy, because it's a earth
of course,
material.
bronze changes. Yeah.
It changes. It's patina and all these kind of things. So it's really nice to use some kind of material.
But Soltor won't be in bronze.
Not
Meta
yet.
X.
Well, these are the 3 models that we are now presenting in bronze. You never know.
But we just started. So
exactly.
Because we were talking like with friends who are also like in Meistersinger. They were like saying why they didn't do the Meta X first, because it's diverse.
You can't do them all. You can't do all of them at the beginning, right? So
And also another question was like why it is not like limited edition. What was the decision behind it?
Because actually, I mean, on the one hand, bronze is a trend topic. However, Meistersinger is not a brand that is really reacting to trends and doing like short-term things. So it's basically, we are convinced that bronze is a material that lasts longer, and and it was just that we are convinced to really keep it in the collection, that it is a thing that stays longer and not only for short term.
Even the straps are also new. I mean, you know these vintage straps from last year, but these, if you feel it, you immediately recognize it's softer.
Yeah, it's softer and
so we were just thinking, okay, that maybe fits nicer to this whole kind of bronze. It's more elegant style. So it's also a nice.
These ones are available from.
Also upcoming in April. So really basically right after the fair.
And the dial are it's blue, so it's like a sunburst deep blue.
Yeah,
it looks almost black.
It's like a gray bluish version. Yeah.
So it will be only blue. There won't be any other colors.
At the moment,
that's it for now. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Because we really think that the color combination of the dial color and the bronze itself is a good fit. So
this huge.
And then we'll need to see. Yeah, it's a little like if you would really have the light on it, you see the blue better here.
So.
But here it's also visible.
I mean, yes, exactly. If you're really like under